All right, today I'm building out a couple bots using Claude code. As you can see, I have two Claude codes here, and then I got two more Claude codes over here. I got them two in the IDEs because I've got two projects I want to work on here today. I'm going to be working on poly market bots and then also Solana copy trader bot. And I'm going to be working with the Claude code instances inside them right here, as you can see, and then also on those two that you saw on the terminal. So this should be pretty fire. I see it speeding up my workflow quite a bit, and Cursor is I still like Cursor. It's just I ran out of credits, bro. I ran out of credits. I'm on the old pricing, and they won't let me upgrade to the new pricing, or not the new pricing, but the old double pricing. But that makes sense. Why would they? They're done with that pricing. I'm surprised they even let me on the old pricing. Anyways, let's go ahead and say this, dude. I've got this bot running here, and I'll just tell her so you can listen. I essentially have the bot running, and if you look at our constants, I believe, or our config.py, I look at the take profit and it's a 49x. Since the USDC size is $1, when the USD value of one of those tokens gets to $49, it should take profit, right? So I'm just confused why it didn't close this position yet. Can you please go ahead and look into that? So that's Claude code number 1. She'll do that. Okay, and then there were some questions about the poly market inside of the Discord. So I want to go ahead and answer that as well. So we'll have Claude 1 go there, and then I'm going to pull up my poly market code here. Cursor. Okay, I got it. Poly market is the prediction market. So let's go ahead and go inside the copy bot. Let's start there. And let's say, Claude, are you still there? You locked in, bro? We need you on both sides. Okay, we're going to start with 2. We don't need to have 8. I know. Please go ahead and contact activate. And then essentially what I want you to do, without exposing my keys, look at my .env, the real one. Don't show any of my keys. Don't print any of my keys or anything. But I need you to walk me through step by step how to connect the wallets so this copy bot works. The copy bot depends on the nice funcs, so we'll need to look at both of those. Please go ahead and make a connections.md that is short and concise and no fluff, but it walks the user through connecting. So it'll be connecting.md. And this will be walking them through the process of getting their public and private key and where to get those from Polymarket, etc. I thought it was just the private key and the public key on your thing, dude. But I'm going to run her over here on the side just because there is a small chance that she does print out my .env. Okay, so you can see here the Solana copy trader here. Let's go read what she had to say. You're absolutely right. Looking at this, Chill House is at 56, and with a $1 position size, 49x, it should have triggered a take profit. Let me examine the P&L logic and see what's going on. It should definitely trigger because it's over 50. So, you know, I put $1 into these copy bots, and then if it hits a 49x, I sell it. It's a pretty cool scanner. Let me check if there are any issues with the token filtering or the P&L check process. Okay, I suspect Chill House might be in the do not trade list, which would cause the P&L to check the skip it entirely. The most likely reason is because it's not in, or it's in the do not trade list. Nah, I don't believe that. But let's go ahead and see. Let's just go see if that's true or not. Looks like she's got a little question for me. She wants to make a connections.md, so I'm going to go ahead and run that, dude. This is my config right behind me. Of what, though? This is the old copy trader. Okay, so I'm going to close this one. Get that up out of here. Let's go ahead and get the Chrome back. Okay, and let's go ahead and say bird eye And Bird Eye, I actually have a job for you here, dude. This can go ahead and find the early buyers. This is another instance of Claude here, and she can find the early buyers of that chill house. So let's go do it. Let's say chill house. I need the contract address anyways. Look at this, dude. Look at this. Just watch this. Watch this double use. Two birds, one stone, dude. Let's go ahead and copy the ID. Okay, it's GK something. Ending with pump, of course. I'm gonna have a little pit stop. A little pit stop right here and say, hey, go ahead and look at the early buyers and then rank them based on net worth, the day one buyers, just like you did in the ones above the two scripts. Go ahead and do the same thing with this one. Let me know when you're done. Thank you. So that's fire. Got Claude. That's why I keep these Claudes just ready, because it's one thing to try to use 8 at a time, but it's another thing to actually like have it ready. And like if you're gonna like set up 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, whatever, you have to have them ready, or else you have a thought and then it's gone. It's like, keep them up on the terminal is my opinion. I don't know if that's right, but I just got to get my feet wet, and ideas will continue to come how to max utilize all this AI we have while we have it, because the price is going up quick and you see it. So now we're going to go over to our don't share, no way. We're going to go to a config here, and we're going to look at the do not trade list. Maybe it's in the do not trade list. No way. So I just checked, and it's definitely not in the do not trade list. So it looks like something else might be going on. Let's go ahead and reset the bot. Maybe it got jammed up. 910. Let's see if it shows any. No, because I saw it just moving.
Do you want to learn and connect with hundreds of other automated traders? Join the newsletter below and get a free invite to our Discord so you can chat with us.
So you can chat with us. So you can chat with us, dude. Speaking of that, I don't think the chat's working again, but that's okay. Let's see what she said. Looking at 568, there's a potential index mismatch. Okay. Maybe that's it. This could cause the wrong token names to be assigned to the wrong addresses, potentially causing Chillhouse to be misidentified or skipped. When you run the bot, do you see this exit output in your P&L? If you see the P&L for Chillhouse, but it's not being closed, then the issue is in the closing logic. If you don't see the Chillhouse being analyzed at all, then there's an indexing or a filtering issue. An indexing or a filtering issue. Let's see what she's saying over here on the polymarket stuff, because I thought that was pretty easy to do, but maybe not, dude. So you can see here, she created a guide of connections.md with wallet setup. The copybot uses nicefuncs.py for trading functions, including place limit order, place market order, cancel orders, calculate shares, and get all positions. You'll need to set up your .env file with the private public keys from your wallet and API credentials from Polymarket. From Polymarket's API section. Okay. So let's go check out that connections.md and hope to God it doesn't have my keys in it. Connections.md. I'm going to slide this in here, buddy boy, but thank you for making it. Thank you for making it. I'm grateful. Okay, so you can see here. Python environment with required packages installed, USDC, create a .env with private key, the public key, API key, secret, passphrase. Navigate to API, get the API key, secret, and passphrase. API credentials are required for placing orders and trading functions. Transfer USDC to your Poly market. Verify connection. Key settings in CopyBot USD investment size, max price filter, min position value. The bot will automatically fail orders if insufficient fees. What's up, Rico? All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm gonna look at my Poly market here, but first I want to. Looks like she's done with that, so we'll keep this live here for a second. Let's go ahead and look at that file. GKY. So these are the early buyers of Chill House. And maybe they know something we don't know, but also it's just very interesting to see their activities. We saw some very, very interesting things yesterday. So I'm going to open all of these up here. And we'll get back to them because I know we got a couple things going on with the other Claudes. I'm just going to open them up so I'm ready. And if you have a contract address where you want to see the first day buyers on, who were the first day buyers? Because those could potentially be CopyBot people to follow, people to maybe not follow directly, but learn from. And yeah, you're going to see some cool stuff if you look at the GMGNs of a ton of addresses every day. It's a little tedious, sure, but man, there's some fire in the teed. There's some fire in the teed, bro. There's some fire. All right, so I'm going to open up all these tabs, and I'm going to go back to the other two cursors because we got two things going on here, dude. And we're going to get them all done, dude. What's up, Muffy? Muffy's in the house. Okay, so this looks pretty easy. I'm going to look into it in a second. This here, did it ever close that position? This is a Solana bot. I feel like it should have closed this Chill House position because it's at 53 and I'm only looking for the 49x. Do you see the P&L analysis section for Chill House specifically in your bot logs? Let's go ahead and look through it. Low volume. Low volume. I don't think it's even doing the P&L close. I mean, no, I don't see it in my logs, to be honest. Can you double check in the bot.py that we are doing the P&L close? We should be. I did switch this over from a different file, so I'm just going to go ahead and raw dog this a little bit. All right, so let's go down here. Bot runs the copy trader and start bot. Start bot is just all the prints. Run monitoring cycle here. Start bot. Restart bot. Run monitoring cycle. Check P&L close. See what she did. Perfect. Now run the bot again, and you should see a detailed debugging about output that will tell us exactly what's happening with the P&L.
If you need an extra helping hand with this automated trading stuff, join the bootcamp below in the description, because not only do I show you everything step by step, we have Python experts that will help you out with any challenges you have. So join by clicking the link in the description below.
Okay, so we're going through all the tokens right now, trying to debug, see why it's not closing the position. It should be. It should be. Okay, okay. Oh, I see what's going on. There is an error here. Token is this. Okay, this is a different one though. This is a stop loss. This one just can't be sold. I'm gonna put this in the do not trade. I remember this from yesterday or 2 days ago. Config here. Let's put it in the do not trade. Let's throw it in there. It's just one of those frozen tokies. You know how it goes, bros. Okay, so perfect. Now run the bot again, and you should see a detailed debugging output. That's the thing, dude. 0 positions closed. 56, 59. Failed to close position. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay, okay. Error closing position, swap transaction. Huh. Okay. Okay, okay, we're on to something. Mm, 5,000%. Oh, that could be it though. That could be it. That could be it. That could be it. This could be a fake one that is frozen. Very, very well. Okay, let's go ahead and get the Addy. And let's see if I can go and let's go see it on Bird Eye. Because this will be I think this is the answer. It's probably a fakie. So it starts with GK. This one starts with GK too, though. Okay, it's not a fakie. It's not a fakie. That was a good thought though. It's a good thought. Good thought, bro. Good thought. Okay, so I don't know why you didn't get that, but I'm gonna go ahead and open Whisper Flow here and you can see the error here. Please go ahead and print out some of the market sell lines. No, dude, I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I'm gonna just go do that. I'm gonna do that. I be doing that all the time, bro. All the time. It's literally so easy. All right, I'm printing them all out now. Now, I'll be able to see the actual error. T-flow, bro. So we're good there. It's not like we're in the wrong environment. Okay, let's run it. Let's run it again, and we should get all of the sales errors. RPC is Gucci. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. And this setting up the... Is there an API section? Let me go ahead and pull that off screen and check that out while we're waiting for this, because... Why not? Oh, here's my poly market right here, actually. I gotta sign in. Sign on in. And I want to see if there's like an API section. Obviously can't show you these keys, dude. Did we pass it already? Yeah, we did. Input mint. That wasn't the one. It's not the take profit. Okay, so she does see it, which is the good thing. I'm about to delete all that. Here is the error that we're running into. It's a little interesting because I know my RPC is Gucci, but let me know what you see here. Thanks.
I've helped hundreds of people automate their trading, even if they've never coded a day in their life. You can go check all the testimonials on my webpage. The link is in the description, but there's a 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked for 90 days. So click the link below and make sure to jump in right now. And if you don't like it, then you get your money back.
Close position. Let's see what she did here because she's messing around, doggy. Market sell, end on market sells, token address and amount. Token address and amount. Slippage equals slippage. I think you must be sending in the amount in the wrong way or something. The weird thing is I didn't get all of this. So it's like it failed earlier. .py, text ID, reason. I'm not sure actually. Go ahead and please investigate. Thank you. Thank you very, 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 very much. It's weird because I would expect more from this. Because I put all of these printouts here. So that's why I'm like, did it fail earlier? But we say try. It's because of this try accept, bro. It's because of the try accept, bro. What is you doing? We don't want that. Let's delete it. Let's delete it. Let's delete it. Let's get up in here and get our hands a little dirty with this AI coder thing. And there we go. Now there's no try accept. Let me see the full error, bro. TXID, okay. All right, let's get it. Damn, she's gonna be like, why did you change that while I'm looking at it, Brody? Perfect. Fix the Jupyter API amount formatting. Jupyter API expects amounts in integers in smallest token units. We were passing in this caused. Oh, yeah, okay. That was easy. We just had to multiply by 9. Good, good, good. Now when the bot detects chill house at 54.01, all right, it should sell it now. Let's go ahead and get it up out of there then. Get it up out of there. And then I wanted to keep looking into this whole poly market thing here. So let's see if this gets it out of our wallet. You can see it's still up there. Settings here. Say poly market API key. Here's a quick tutorial on how to generate API key and passphrase to Polymarket. This way you can start trading using Python and skip the web interface. First step is to create an environment file. You want to populate the PK file. You do not know the other 3 variables yet. Comment them out. You can find this private key by logging in your Polymarket account. Click on cache and finally export private key. Then generate the API key here, like this. Okay, this is actually interesting. So I want to go here and say, hey, go ahead and read this part and then go look through my files. I think there is a file where I built something like this to generate the API key. Can you try to identify that? Don't show any keys or anything. I'm on the network, but I'm not active. Damn, we can't talk about nothing. Hey, Rico. Dun, dun, dun. I got 2 more Claude codes over here. I got them 2 in the IDE. Oh, this is frozen, bro. Yes. You want Claude to fetch this content? Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. I don't know what happened in the last live, but it kind of died. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but it's okay. It's okay because I'm back now. Actually, I never left. Never left. You left, and I didn't know. Okay, so found it. You have a file at create Claude keys that generates Polymarket API keys. Your script follows the exact same pattern. Uses Claude client with your private key and Polygon mainnet chain ID. Calls client.create or derive API key creds to generate API key, secret, and passphrase. You've commented out the print statements for security. Smart move. The script loads your private key from env file and generates the credentials that would go into the API, secret, and passphrase. Okay, yeah, that's my bad. I just need to go ahead and record something about that. I just need to go ahead and record something about that. My bad. Haha. Oopsies. Oopsie doopsies, dude. Oopsie doopsies. Oopsie doopsies, bro. Oopsie doopsies. Wow, disconnected again? Shit, my bad, bro. The script loads your private key from the env. Where is that script, dude? The script is right here in create Claude keys. Create Claude keys. I need to put that in there too. Yes, dude, my bad. That is so crazy. Create. Where is it? Examples, under examples. Okay, so let's go ahead and say, let's look at it. Private key. And then let's go ahead and copy this. Okay, so that is not bad. And then .env example, please don't have my keys in it. Derive, maybe you can't do that. Hash dive, I'm just gonna take that out of here. Create Claude keys. Okay. .py. First, you must get your private and public key from Poly Market or from the wallet you are using on Poly Market. And place in .env. Then run the above script. Okay, we figured it out. Figured it out, dude. Figured it out. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna explain it. Terminate. Cancel. API key, secret, and passphrase. Let's go ahead and make sure that this file here is in the Dropbox of that course, ATC prediction bot code. Let's say reveal in Finder, and then copy. Okay, we created it there. Okay, sick. So create Claude keys here, and I think that's the first thing I need to create actually. So let's see if I can make a video of it while I'm streaming. I don't know if I can do that, but if I can, it's major cool. New screen recording here. Let's try it. File, new screen recording. Okay. Let's try it one more time. File, new screen recording. Where's that little thinger at? Where's that little thing that has my don't tell me it's hidden behind these books, bro. This looks good. Oh, it's down there. I see. I see it.
Hey, bro, real quick, can you do me a favor and just tap that like button? And if you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe as well. Thank you so much. I'm going to keep showing everything. Just tap that like and hit the subscribe.
All right, so before you can really get started using Polymarket, you are going to need to be able to connect to the two different APIs, really. They have like an API that handles the orders and an API that handles the data. You'll have to get your public key and your private key. This will be on your wallet, whether you use Polygon or Polymarket specifically. If you did use them, go to the USD part and then select export keys. You'll need that private key and the public key. I trust you'll be able to do that. It's pretty self-explanatory. And if you use MetaMask or something else, you'll have to get the private and the public key. This will allow you to get data from the exchange, all that good stuff. But there's another file that I have placed in the Dropbox that you have access to now. And it's called Create Claude Keys. So if we go look at the .env example really quickly, you can see you'll have to put your public or your private key in here first and be super careful with those. And then these keys below, you'll have to get these by running this script, create Claude keys. So first, you get your public and private key, put it up there, and you get it for your wallet or the Polymarket, and you place it in the .env. So you'll have to change this file from .env_example to .env after you change your keys. Once these are in there, then you can run this create Claude keys file that I'm about to show you, and it will generate 3 different keys: an API key, a secret, and a passphrase. You then put that API key here, the secret here, and the passphrase here. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you that code. It's pretty simple. Go to create Claude keys. Again, that should be in the Dropbox. And make sure to name your private key in the environment. And this is really the code that you run. You load your .env, connect to the client here, and then have a try and accept. What you'll need to do here is, you can see, since I built this on stream, I can't print out my API keys or secrets. So you'll have to actually unmark that code. Matter of fact, I'm going to update that right now because I'll just have it unmarked for you. This has it actually print out the API key, the secret, and the passphrase, as long as you pass in your private key. So just run this code. You'll get 3 keys back. Those 3 keys will be placed in your .env. This is the .env example, the API key, secret, passphrase, and just change that to .env. And now you are fully connected to Polymarket, ready to build whatever you can think of. So I'm excited to see what you create, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so let's see if that plays, dude. All right, so before you can really get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and save that up, and let's go ahead and say, what should we call that? That should be called setting up the keys for Polymarket. Okay, and then I'm gonna get it to you to upload. Create Claude keys. Did I save that? Okay, I just want to update that in the thing. Oh, snap. I didn't want to do that though. Copy, paste. Stop. Replace. Okay, we're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. We're golden. We're golden. We're golden. I just need to put this vid on YouTube, and then I'm gonna use Claude. No, I'm actually gonna use Cursor here. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But there you go. So you saw that too, dude. So we're good to go. Polymarket problem solved. So thank you, Claude Code. Again, I appreciate you. What else we got here? I want to close that. Okay. And then I want to go ahead and make sure that is uploaded. And then I'm gonna jump into the server actually. Speaking of the server, let's see if this is still here or updated. Okay, perfect. Only 19 spots left? No way, dude. That's a big time error. There's only 2 spots left, dude. 2 a day. 2 a day keeps the doctor away. Please make it say only 2 spots left. Right now it shows 19 spots left, which is crazy. And change it to July 21st drop. Okay, and on the prediction course, I want to get that updated with the new video there because that's super helpful. Okay, so let's go to that. How do I get there? Well, prediction bots right there. Okay, so it's on that 88, 88, 88, 88, 88, 88, 88, 88, 88. Connect to host, 88. Okay. If you need an extra helping hand with this automated trading stuff, join the bootcamp below in the description because not only do I show you everything step by step, we have Python experts that will help you out with any challenges you have. So join by clicking the link in the description below. Okay. Cursor, slow cursor though, unfortunately. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just happy to have it. Just happy to have it. So this should say 2 spots left. So we're getting that updated right now. Accept. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this to be one of the first videos here. This video is showing how to connect to Polymarket and setting up your private key, public key, and API keys. Please go ahead and make this one of the first videos on the prediction bot course. I think you can probably reformat the grid now that we have an even number of videos, because I know we just added that last one about the mean reversion too. So now it probably can look better than it does. So go ahead and do it elegantly on that page. Remember, all this code is inside the this folder here. There's 2 websites here, but this is the website we're working on right here. And specifically, you're working on the thank you page. Okay, so it's under prediction bot website. Quirky, but whatever. Prediction bot website. Okay, you go ahead and do that, shorty. Thank you. Setting up your keys for Polymarkets coming soon. Let's go ahead and copy. Next. Public, no way. Save, okay. And let's see how this other AI did. Did she fix this? Let's see. So this is Quant Goldmine. It has all of my courses in it. Only 19 spots left. Let's just remove whatever we did. It causes the dash, dude. The digital dash. This is not right. This is not right. The digital dash. You can see here. You can see here. Maybe you didn't upload it or something, but go ahead and try again. Let's go ahead and try it on a different computer. Not different computer, but quantgoldmine.com. There's not 19 spots left. There's 2. It should say 2 spots left and just hard code the date June 20 or July 21st. Just hard code it. Just hard code it. And then refresh it. Yo, what's up, Aziz? How you doing, bro? Okay. Wishy's in the house. What's up, Wishy? That's why I was like, sweat or no cash. The bosses say so. What's up, Moon? Which financial data API is more cost effective and in depth for robust fundamental analysis? I want to use it for agent I develop. Just depends on what data you need. Just depends on the data you need, dude. You need stock data, forex data, crypto data. Crypto data I get them from the exchanges. Okay, so let's see if she updated this other one here. So you can see she may have updated it. We are running this on a screen. Make sure to reset that screen so it's available. It works. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And then I want to go check out the link to that, because I want to make sure that it is Gucci as well. So let's go look at the link for that. Prediction bot thank you page here. Did you update it, shorty? And we got a lot of these wallets to go through. If you have a token you want to find the early buyers for, let me know. Let me know, bro. Let me know. I can see the one saying prediction. Thank you. Let's see if she updated this correctly. Only 19 spots? No way. No way, dude. That would be crazy. New incognito, maybe. Quant gold mine. I don't know what's going on, shorty. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but it still shows the old one like I showed you above. We don't want this current date variable or anything like that. We just want to hard code the current date and get it back to a place that it was working well. We're on screen, so maybe you didn't refresh the screen or something. You can see here that it shows only 19 left. Maybe it's me though. Maybe it's me. So let me check on my phone or something. Nah, it says 19 spots left, bro. I checked on multiple devices, so it's not like a cache or cookies problem, whatever. It's not a cache or a cookies. Let's check out that link we have here. Okay. The thank you page for that. Yes. Make sure that the video is up there nicely. Hmm. It should have outputted to this page, but I'm not seeing an update here on my side. We could put it as video number 2 and push the other video. So it'd be first a welcome video, then video number 2 would be this environment video that I just sent. And then go ahead and reactivate it so it is live on the website. Okay, sick, dude. Don't know what's going on there. Don't know what's going on here. Skip that.
Hey bro, real quick, can you do me a favor and just tap that like button? And if you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe as well. thank you so much. I'm gonna keep showing everything.
What's up,
Just tap
Luck?
that like and hit the subscribe.
Kosovo. That's awesome. I have no idea where in the world that is. That is sick. I love that. I love to see that. I love to see that. It's working now, it says. Okay, there we go. 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 Only 2 spots left, July 21st. Okay, so this is Quant Goldmine. It has all of my courses, links in the description below. It's 5 courses. Quant Elite alone pays for this whole thing, so this is all free, pretty much. So Quant Elite is crazy. It's every single week I'm putting a new code. You see me working hard here every single day, and all that code goes into Quant Elite each week. Okay, it's in Albania. Cool, dude. Welcome. All right, so that link is in the description, but I want to keep it pushing, dude. I want to keep it pushing. So the next thing I want to do, this should have closed. Let's go ahead and check that out. That was a while ago now, but this is how it goes, bros. This is how it goes. You can see all those failed to close. Sell order failed. I wonder why. Which one is this? Closing position. Okay, here's the full debug. That's beautiful. Exactly what I needed, bro. Okay, so let's go to cursor here. Yo, from Peru, what's up, dude? Lima. I went ahead and printed out all the details so you could see them here, but essentially this did not work to close the position, which is odd. Can you look through all these prints to see if you can see why? See if you can see why. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Run, okay. I know this script doesn't copy the success folder. Okay. Run, okay. Reload Nginx, yes. So I got Nginx, I got cursor. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Access denied. This link should work every time because we've already given it to people. So it says access denied for me now. So please go ahead and change that back to the old link. Okay, dude, it changed the link. People are gonna be hot. People are gonna be hot. Switch to auto, dude. I don't even know how to switch to auto. That's great. I see the issue. The website is showing access denied instead of the course content. It looks like there might be a routing issue, control issue, or some issue. I found the issue. Okay, what's the issue? Get it. We need you to get the issue fixed, dude. Let's get it. I love this, dude. Every day. Every day. We just work with AI. Every little piece that you need done, dude, you don't even have to worry about it anymore. Let's see what she did over here. We got cursor going. We got Claude going. Perfect. Fixed the main issue. Added proper return value. Now market cell returns a transaction string. Okay. Added simulation error. Let's try it again. Let's get it, dude. You can see I still have chill houses. Should still be gone. Still should be gone. Let's go ahead and reload Nginx. We're moving, bro. Reload Nginx. Again. Problem solved. The issue was the Nginx configuration was set up to serve the old thank you page. Okay. Accept here. Okay. Refresh. Nice. Okay. Polymarket connection and API setup. Setting up your keys. Okay. Okay. Day one. I'm gonna call that day one as well. 2 day ones. You're my day one, bro. Thanks for being here. Much love to you. Let's go ahead and see if the boys can get it done with this, dude. Day one. Did it just finish the close or did it air out again? Damn, I got you going back and forth today, don't I? I'm sorry. Position closed successfully. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Can you keep up is the question. I don't know. I'm not chasing you, dude. I'm chasing him. He's got 31 Bs. Rest in peace. He showed us the way. So thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go ahead and remove these now. Let's go ahead and remove all of those. Yes, okay. Yup, yup, yup. Okay, 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 okay. I think we're gone now. I think we solved it. I think we're good now. Thank you, Claude. Thank you. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see. Looks like it didn't actually close it. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. The order did go through though. Or it didn't go through. Simulation, transaction error processing instruction. Ah, man. Let's see for the one that we should care about. Position closed successfully. It's capping. Simulation, detection, transaction error processing instruction, custom program error. It's very weird. Looks like we still get an error, which is super weird because we have a market buy that works perfectly. So it's really just like look at that and then figure out how to do the sell too. The only difference is that we keep the USDC.
I'm not only going to show you how to build your own trading bot and automate your trading so you can remove emotions. I'm also going to pay for your AI so you can cancel all of your ChatGPT and Claude subscriptions. Click the link below to join the bootcamp. I will teach you how to automate your trading and pay for your AI. The link is below.
Okay, so let's see what she said here. Excellent. The position closure is now working perfectly. Looking at your output, I can see simulation error detected. Sell order. What's happening with the simulation error? You're absolutely right. The simulation error is just a warning. Okay, so what we need to do. All right, so what we need to do though is we need to put in three sell orders. Bang, bang, bang. Never mind. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. But we do need to verify that it's been closed. So it needs to loop again. So sleep for maybe 20 seconds after it puts the order in. Check the position to see if it's been closed or reduced. And if it has not, then it will put the order in again. That's it. And I'm going to take this one out of here because converting decimals, okay, that's fine. Let's see. Seriously, bro? Deck screener? Don't know what that means. Don't know what that means. Not sure what that means. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar, dude. Now, when Chill House or any position hits take profit, it will actually verify. Verify. Let's go ahead here and see if this worked out for the fellers. Let's go to Discord here. Order submitted. Let's go keep an eye on this. Go to Soul Scan here. Let's go to moondev.soul. Hmm. 19 seconds. Twenty-four seconds ago. Yeah, this is the problem. Oh shit. It's not what I meant to do. Claude, resume. I found the issue of why these are closing incorrectly. It's because you're getting the wrong size somewhere. And you can see it's trying to sell 3 million chill house, but I don't have 3 million chill house. So that's the error. So we just got to fix our sizing and how we market sell things. You can look through this bot here on how we market sell or we sell on our P&L close, because this shows exactly how I sell in my other bot that we adapted this from. Okay, so let's go find that. Okay, so it's gonna be in the GitHub. Copy trader. Copy repo path. CD up in there. Code dot. Bot.py. Matter of fact, I want you to use that exact thing.
If you need an extra helping hand with this automated trading stuff, join the bootcamp below in the description, because not only do I show you everything step by step, we have Python experts that will help you out with any challenges you have. So join by clicking the link in the description below.
All right, I'm just gonna have it do that, dude. I mean, I could just set up this infrastructure here. Trending DF here. Raw data, get this here. The analyze picks here. Now I have all the information I'll need. Create the P&L close ranker function for the copy trader that uses the correct sizing calculation from the original bot. The key issue is that the current bot is using the wrong amount calculation when selling. Let me implement this fix. Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, and please don't ask me again. Thank you. Now I need to update the bot.py to use the new P&L ranker close. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Replace the faulty cell logic with the working P&L close ranker flow. All right, the issue was the old market sell function was using incorrect calculations, trying to sell 3 million. What was the incorrect calculation? Wait, what the heck, dude? You see what I did here? That's super funny. Whatever. That works, I guess. You can just pop her up right there too. Okay. I didn't even mean to do that. I didn't even mean to do that, dude. I just popped her up on my bot. I was like, Claude, resume, let's get it. And then she was like, okay. But damn, I wonder if she's in the right place. Yeah, she is. She is. She definitely is. That's funny, dude. All right, so I want to send this off to the squad here. All right, what happened here? Just running into this little error. I updated things to use our new leaderboard technology, and you can actually see that here in this other file. Just so you're not left alone, I went ahead and had another instance of the AI. It's actually you again, but I went ahead and did it in a different terminal on accident, so my bad. You can look through this code as well to see where we pulled this P&L close ranker from. I think we just need a leaderboard CSV defined or something. But the thing is, dude, this isn't even the right thing. So, gosh, not even the right terminal again. Paste it in that one, and then let's go to bot.py here. Copy path. Okay, there we go. There we go.
If you're still here, tap the like button and subscribe, because I believe code is the great equalizer, and I know Wall Street will never show any of this. So I'm going to show you everything. All I do ask is you hit the like and subscribe.
The likey and the subscribey. There are 2 spaces available today. Here in the quant gold mine that has everything that I have, dude. Every course I have, all the code, everything, dude. You get it all. And the website doesn't work. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see what's going on in the market. 10:17. Okay. Market is open. Cool, cool, cool. Good morning, good morning. Nvidia up a little bit, Tesla up a bit. Yo, what's up, Abakar? What do you mean your cursor is back? You're able to get it back? The full the old school cursor, or what you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? On gold mine here. Cancel. Reload window. That's weird. This is the second time this has happened, actually. Second time this has happened. And my internet is solid. It's solid. Oh, nice. You're on the 40. You're on that 4-0. All right. Well, we're waiting for that to get back. Let's go ahead to cursor here and see what she did. Okay, it should be fixed now, so let's go check it out. Okay, so you can see it's trying to get out of the chill house here soon. It should be at least. You can also look at our low volume close. It seems to be working perfectly. So, you know, whatever's causing these errors here, we should be able to fix by looking at that one. Let's go look at my wallet. Because you see the orders are trying to go through right now. But failing. Solana arbitrage or crypto trading insiders and early buyers. You have to figure that one out, bro. That one's on you, cause me, I'm not the financial type of advice kind of guy. You know, I'm just a YouTuber YouTubing. Okay, so while that goes, I'm gonna get some coffee. Oh, look, it fixed itself. Good, good, good. I'll be able to run it. Run it while I get some. Oh, it looks like we still got an error here. Still working with a bit of an error here.
Even if you don't know how to code, I didn't know how either, but now I have automated trading systems and I will show you step by step how to build your own bots so you can remove all of your emotions. I'll show you how in the bootcamp below. There is a link in the description, so join that right now.
I think this is back live, dude. So there's 2 spots for today. Quan Gold Mine. This has all of my courses here. I'll reach out to you in email for the X Spaces 777, bro. Good to see you, dude. So this is you get everything here, all my courses, everything in Quan Gold Mine. There's 2 spots available today. It's 2 spots available today. And that's all Gucci now. Good, good, good. Looks like there is some downtime with that. Oh, interesting, huh? Let's get this one out of here because it keeps confusing me. All right, so let's see what she saw the bug. Now, when the bug runs again, you will see the perfect amount happening. Balance, okay. Oh, it worked. It worked. Look at that. See? Nice job, bro. Simulation error. Position close initiated with P&L close ranker. Just made a closing order. Okay, sick, dude. Looks like this last version worked. Go ahead and delete that whole printing of the simulation error. That's weird, though. Get that out of there, bro. I don't want that. Okay, so we got it working. Everything is fine now. Now I got a bunch of cash in the account here. 65. Sold part by Chill House. Not all of it, but part of it. 70%, I believe. Okay, sick, dude. This looks good. This looks good. Yeah, I get that. It's just I copy trade meme coins, insider, and sometimes it's just a bit hit or miss. Absolutely. But arbitrage, I think, is the number one. Yeah, if you can build an arbitrage, bro, of course, arbitrage within its name is like the best strategy in the world, you know? It's no risk, it's arbitrage. So that's dope. I hope you find one. Do you have one you're looking at? Tell me. I'm just kidding. Don't tell me. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody if you got an arm, bro. Don't tell me. No. Nobody, bro. Nobody, dude. Did this go down again? Nah, it's still here. So while it's here, you can get in. Nah, you can't. Reinstall server connection failed. Failed to install cursor. Reload window. Having some issues with that website actually. So I'm gonna ask her about that here soon. I gotta go eat these eggs, bro. Remove all emotions and actually automate your trading. I can show you from a point of not knowing how to code at all. If you don't know how to code at all, I can show you exactly how to code, and then I can show you exactly how to automate your trading. You can see there's hundreds of reviews. I'll show you at the bottom, and there's a 100% money back guarantee, and the price is super inexpensive, $69. And I will literally hold your hand step by step in the process of automating your trading. You can watch this video if you want to learn a little bit more about it, but we can quickly scroll through here, and pretty much everything that I wish I could find on the internet when I was trying to automate my trading is in this bootcamp. It's 15 days of videos that you can watch on demand in any language, just in case you don't speak English natively. You can watch all videos at any time period of the day in any language. And I show you step by step how to automate your trading. And not only that, I give you free AI. So I pay for your open AI, Claude. We have channels in our Discord that give you 100% free AI. So you can cancel all your subscriptions. You have a team of us that are all working towards the same goal. We're all chasing this guy. This is Jim Simons. He ran up a net worth of $31.4 billion. And he always says you just have to make your systems better and better and better because that's what everybody else is trying to do. So I can show you step by step how to get your ideas out of your brain into an automated trading system, and you'll be able to code all of it. I spent 10 years in technology scared to code because I thought it was just for super smart people who went to Stanford or knew a bunch of math, and I was neither of those. Then I locked in because I had to automate my trading. I learned Python and I learned how to actually automate my trading. It's the most secretive industry in the entire world. Nobody else is sharing this information. So you can see a closer look of what's in the bootcamp here.
There's 15 full days. And on the first day, in case you don't know how to code, I show you how to code. So don't worry. I give you an intro to algo trading. I get all of your orders set up, all your risk management set up. I get you to a place where you can backtest any strategy that you have for the rest of your life. So while I don't just say, hey, here's a bot that you can run, make $1 million, I think that's a scam. If you ever see that on the internet, which I know you will, just run away, because nobody is going to give you a trading bot that just makes you a bunch of money. You have to come up with your own strategy and your own edge. But for a crazy low price, I can show you step by step how to get to that point where you can just sit here like I do. You see me on live every single day. I show everything on YouTube. And I just test the RBI method.
We must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
And dude, I understand how emotional this game is, and sometimes you feel defeated because you're just tired of looking at these charts go up and down. You have FOMO, and then you have fear, and you're scared. You're in a position, you're in a long position, then all of a sudden you're in a short position, and then all of a sudden you're using 40x leverage. Dude, I totally understand that. But that was Martin Luther King Jr., and he says, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But by all means, keep going. And I know trading can rip your heart out. The sad thing about trading, which is like not good for entrepreneurs or people who like to work really, really hard and just bang down doors and get anything done, like you and me, dude. You know, we're ambitious, we're data dogs, we're curious, we're fearless. You can't just work harder at trading and get better. You can't just put more hours in. Like everything else in the world, most things you can just put more hours in, work harder, and be better at trading. With trading, you have to have patience. You cannot be greedy, and you can't be fearful. Those are 3 things that humans just can't do. So in this bootcamp, I show you step by step how to remove all of your emotions, automate your trading. I give you free AI. I give you a bunch of examples of trading algorithms that will enable you to then build any strategy that you want. And then I connect you with hundreds of other algorithmic traders so you can make connections for life and work on this with other people opposed to just on your own. Remember, this is the prize. This is what I'm chasing, but I don't need $31 billion. I would rather have a few hundred of us get $31 billion, you know? So I'm not saying that this is guaranteed by any means, but for me, it's something that I can invest my time into and just like he says, just keep making my systems better and better and better. Now I've been at this for 4 years. So if you want to fast pass and get everything I know about algorithmic trading and how to automate your trading, you can see the prices right here. It's $69 per month. It's nothing crazy. And you can go to our Trustpilot, just Google MoonDev reviews or Algo Trade Camp reviews. Here's some Q&A down here. I want to make sure you know that we have a no questions asked 90-day money back guarantee. So for whatever reason you want your money back, just get your money back. You can keep all the code and just all the videos, just you get your money back 100%. I follow the Costco guarantee here. This is the 90-day money back guarantee. Go ahead and check out the link in the description and just scroll down and see what people like you have to say. I know you're smart because I didn't run ads and I didn't beg you to come here. You found me somehow. You're a good researcher already. And the process of automating your trading starts with research. So obviously you're looking for a better way to automate your trading. So you're intelligent enough to know that everything can be done in this world as long as you're able to research. This is my RBI system I'll talk about in the Algo Trade Camp, but it comes down to researching, backtesting, and implementing. So go do your research on the internet. Go look at all of these testimonials we have on our page. And if it seems like it's going to be a good fit, if you want to automate your trading, remove all emotions, connect with hundreds of other algo traders, connect with me, get free AI, have the 90-day money back guarantee, then click the link below and join right now. Remove all emotions and actually automate your trading. I can show you from a point of not knowing how to code at all. If you don't know how to code at all, I can show you exactly how to code, and then I can show you exactly how to automate your trading. You can see there's hundreds of reviews. I'll show you at the bottom, and there's a 100% money back guarantee, and the price is super inexpensive, $69, and I will literally step by step in the process of automating your trading. You can watch this video if you want to learn a little bit more about it. But we can quickly scroll through here, and pretty much everything that I wish I could find on the internet when I was trying to automate my trading is in this bootcamp. It's 15 days of videos that you can watch on demand. All right, so this actually continues to happen, which is kind of weird, and I want to investigate it. I'm using Cherry servers, Ubuntu, Cloudflare, and this has happened a couple times now. I'm using Nginx in order to host a website called this. And the interesting thing is maybe one day, every day for like 20, 30 minutes, the website will go down. I won't be able to connect to my server either. So I'm not quite sure what this problem is. Is it an Nginx problem? Is it a Cloudflare problem? Is it the server I have? The location problem? I don't know where I should start to debug this. Should I try to, yeah, what do you recommend? Or is there any other information I can provide you in order to answer this? Why the website goes down every once in a while? Okay, I think it's back up though. It's super weird that happens. Maybe it's not. I think I'm gonna change servers, dude. Right? Is that a solution? I'm not sure. I think it is a solution. I just don't know if it's the best solution. Uh, so we'll see. I'm gonna download all the data if I can. I'm a data dog. So I need that data, dog. Let's go ahead and see what's happening with ChatGPT. Thanks for your detailed explanation and screenshot. You see the Cloudflare error. It's when Cloudflare is not able to reach your server's IP, and that makes sense because I'm not either. But your origin server, Cherry servers in your case, is responding to HTTPS requests. It's not responding. Typically, it's not a Cloudflare problem. It's almost always an issue with your origin or Nginx. You're using Ubuntu and Nginx, and the server goes down 20, 30 minutes a day. You can't SSH into the downtime Hey bro,
either.
real quick, can you do me a favor and just tap that like button? And if you want to see more of this, hit the subscribe as well. Thank you so much. I'm going to keep showing everything. Just tap that like and hit the subscribe.
Okay, so maybe I just got too weak of a server. Let's go ahead and ask her that. Yeah. Cherry servers. I mean, since I can't connect to it either, it kind of tells me there's a Cherry servers problem, right? SSH into your server after the outage. Okay, let's go to my servers here. I think it has to be the size of the server, bro. That's what I think it is. Activity logs. Backup storage. Network. The ads sound good, fella. Thank you, bro. Thank you, dude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Glad you're listening, bro. Glad you're listening. Let's go ahead and output this here. Let's say new instance here. I'm hosting a fast API instance on the server, and I actually went with the VPS 1, so the cheap option here, opposed to my other server that's VPS 2 and that didn't have any downtime. Do you think that's the reason? It's just not enough CPU or RAM or something like that? It's not like there's more than a couple hundred people that go to the website per day either, so it's not crazy. It's not a crazy amount of people. Um, what do you think? Should I launch a new server? I can't get in either, so okay. She knows everything. She knows everything that I know. So you gotta tell me before. Oh yes, based on everything, it's the VPS one is likely the root problem. Your server spec, okay. Shared resources, fast hosting, okay. You're seeing server completely unreachable, even SSH once a day. Website downtime 20 to 30, not an issue on VPS 2. Okay. Yet with the 1V CPU and 1 GB RAM on a shared core plan, your instance is vulnerable to noisy neighbor effects. Other VPSs on the same physical server can consume enough GPU, CPU memory to throttle yours. Fast API plus Nginx plus system processes plus small traffic spikes equals memory pressure swapping error, and since it's shared, you have no guarantee to minimum performance. Once the RAM is fully consumed, the OS may kill fast API, freeze processes. Upgrade to a bigger server. You already have the VPS2 instance without issues. Can you just upgrade? I don't think so. I don't think you could just upgrade. But let's see. Manage network. Actions. Rebuild. Upgrade. Can be upgraded to a higher tier configuration with the same region and cannot be downgraded after. Upgrade will have a short downtime, which depends on your server. 1 minute per 1 GB. Upgrade that bitch. Upgrade that bitch in Lithuania. I don't give a fudgy. I don't give a fudgy. I'll be up in Lithuania all day. We're upgrading the server. Things are getting throttled now. It's too much heat, bro. Too many people are trying to jump in and they can't. I'm sorry. Quan Gold Mine is down. It's down. We're upgrading the server, though. We're upgrading the server. Miami. Why are you going to Miami? Welcome to Miami. Okay, let's go ahead and get this running again. This should be fine now. I want to start looking through some of these tokens. If you have tokens that you want to see, Solana tokens specifically, you want to see the early buyers for, let's go ahead and try to find some whales here that we can potentially copy or learn something from. You can see this guy's up 90 some percent. His last trade's 20 hours ago. He's deployed 30 tokens 216 days ago. Okay, he's not doing any token bad boy things. Good. Here you can see the 20 hours ago and then 3 minutes later. Okay, so he's in and out. He's in and out. Let's see what he's doing though. Let's go see what this is. Bird eye. It's another bonk, so it seems like bonk is the place to be right now. Oh snap! That's bad, bro. That's bad. That's really bad. AI 20 tests. PRX. The real Ripple. Oh my God. Those boinks are next to your head. Or next to our head. Okay, no dice yet.
Have you struggled with emotional trading? If you want to remove all of your emotions from trading, you must automate it. I will teach you step by step in the next 15 days. There's a link in the description below, and I will help you remove all of your emotions from trading.
Reload window. Maybe it needs a few more minutes to upgrade. All right, we're in there. Let's go ahead and print out these logs, dude. And this should be back, right? Quant Gold Mine? Hmm. I upgraded my server, so can you look at my screen to refresh the Nginx or whatever we need to do in order to make this go? I think we still have the same IP address, so that should be Gucci. Yo, they changed Gucci to good. Don't change the words I say. It builds up the current flow, moving to fast. Great. All files are in place. Okay, great, great, great. Come on, buddy. You got this. Say screen LS. You can see this, but I don't. Skip here. I just upgraded my server on my, this server that you can see right now. Please go ahead and relaunch the screen that essentially is running the website. So the website can be live again. I gotta close some of these tabs, dude. Okay, there, it should be Gucci now. Let me check if the website's serving. I don't think so, buddy boy. I don't think so, buddy boy. Screen LS. I wonder if this is slow. This is slow, or it's just not working. Let me try a simpler approach. Yes.
If you're still here, tap the like button and subscribe because I believe code is the great equalizer, and I know Wall Street will never show any of this. So I'm going to show you everything. All I do ask is you hit the like and subscribe.
We have a critical system issue. The segmentation are happening in any Python package installation, which indicates that your server upgrade broke Python's package management. This is a common issue with system libraries. All right, go ahead and do all that stuff that you need to do, and then let's go ahead and get it live on a screen. Remember, it's supposed to go to quantgoldmine.com. We all set that up on Nginx and all that good stuff. So just do whatever you need to do, shorty. Please. Slow request. Access here. Let me just go ahead and get that. Whatever. I'll pay for it. I just want speed, bro. Good one. Good upsell. I love it. Let's fix this problem. Yes. Let's get Quant Goldmine back online, dude. Let's get it back online. Back online. It's pretty interesting, actually. Let me try a different approach. We have a critical corruption issue. The segments Reboot the server. This is the first thing to try. I mean, is there a way I could just... Nah, I'm gonna get a new server. I'm gonna get a new server. Because I think that's the best method for this. Download. 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 Oh no, I'm silly, bro. All right, if it's broken, I'm just gonna get a new server. Go ahead and upload the code as the main. Make this the main code on GitHub. I think I have a GitHub for this already initialized. So go ahead and do that, and then I'll be able to pull it from the new one. Okay, I'm gonna set up that new server here, and then I'm gonna kill this server. Okay, let's go to this plan because the other one was too little. Let's head back to Amsterdam, dude. Let's head back to Amsterdam. I feel better over there than Lithuania. No offense, anybody out there. Of course. Of course, of course, of course. Provisioning here, so it should take us not too long. Just waiting for my keys here. New server, cause old one broke. So your code is here. What's your GitHub repository URL? I think I'm just gonna do it this way because I already downloaded all this stuff. Download, git pip, and then main.py, download. Download. I'm gonna replace that. Okay, and then I'm still waiting on this instance because the old one broke. Okay, so new, and this will be 721 here. So it's still deploying, that's okay. So the new IP address, I got it. And let's go ahead and get that set it up here. SSH here, let's say connect to host. Let's say add new SSH host. Like that though. Connect to host. Add new SSH host. Okay. I guess we're gonna do it that way. Host is that. Host name. It's also that. And then user equals root. Save. Okay, let's go ahead and say connect to host here. 88. Sweet. I need to say yes. And then I need to put the password in, which I am waiting on right now. Got it.
Do you want my free automated traders roadmap? It comes with all of my resources, my actual system, a book list, and Discord access. It's 100% free. Click the link below to join the newsletter, and I will send it to you right now.
Let's say open folder here. And say, okay, root. It's fine, I think. Maybe not, but we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. And then what I want you to do before you die is this. Give me a step-by-step plan for setting this up again on a new server. Write it to that other AI that's connected to the server. I'm already in there. So I'm just gonna send it to her there. But yeah, right in that perspective, using Cloudflare, Nginx, essentially just needs to set up the Nginx to go to the website. Okay, send me back those instructions. Okay, so let's go here and say quant gold mine. Quant gold mine. Okay, so now that's in there. And inside there, I'm going to upload the static file or the template file. And then also the static file. Okay. And then the constants file, the main file, and the git pip file. Let's put it up in there. Okay. And now I should have all of this here. Go ahead and start on that. Go ahead and start on that quant gold mine. You can see all my files here at quant gold mine. Gold mine. In the quant gold mine file folder. And yeah, go ahead and try that. Let's go to Cloudflare now and change that IP address. So Cloudflare here, and let's say login. Quant gold mine. And I need to go to the DNS, I believe. Yes. Edit here and change that to that new IP address. Click save. Go ahead and hit run. Just put it on a website that won't work. That's pretty much what I did, dude. So a website that does not work here, dude. So I just did a quick pivot here of the, oh, snap, stop. Make sure to run this on a screen so I can have other stuff running on the server too. And we can have it running 24/7, you know? Okay, revert. Okay, it looks like we're back on fast and I'm just paying for it. I like that. Let me just pay for it. Don't even talk to me, dog. Let me just pay for it. There we go. So here we are. So 500 out of 500. And then I have this billing on the right side. It says $2 already. Wow. Cool. So I'm going to burn through cash fast. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, perfect. I can see we're working in the root. Okay, you can see what's in the folder. Perfect. Great, great. And we're gonna get this live, dude. We're gonna get this back live. Okay, so I have to actually get back to this too. The 829 video link is broken. So this week, what I want to talk about is this divide and other. Okay, so let's see if I can get that re-uploaded actually.
Do you want to learn and connect with hundreds of other automated traders? Join the newsletter below and get a free invite to our Discord so you can chat with us.
Okay, we got this running perfect. All right, sick, dude. Let's keep it moving here. Accept. Make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. I'm curious how fast this runs up my cursor because I know it's like looking at the whole code base. So we're at $2 now. Let's see how this goes up. Still $2. How does it charge is the question. Settings, usage here. Usage based, okay. 4 cents, 4 cents. Okay, it's 4 cents per call. Oh, that's chill though. That's super chill, right? Yeah, that's a good trade. I like that. I like that. I like that. I'm gonna kill this other server actually because they were a floppity flop. So let's go ahead and say power off, buddy boy. Damn, launching servers is so sick, dude. Power off. Delete. I don't want it anymore. I don't want it anymore. Delete it. Okay, so I got my new server here that is getting set up here. Those are deceptions, bro. I don't know what he's talking about again. I literally never know what she's talking about. But it's good to have you, bro. Good to have you. Good to have you, bro. Good to have you. What is corn.goldmine.com? The website is quantgoldmine.com. Not what you had above. There we go. Go ahead and run here. Go ahead and say accept here. This one I just killed, so it should not work. Dismiss, be out, peace. Thanks for your service. While this is running, I want to keep looking through some of these Solanas. So if you have any coins that you want to see the early buyers for, let me know. Let me know. Put them in the chat. Contract address. Unchill. 34%, not bad. 26%. 192. Nothing crazy here. 30 days. So these are the chill house early buyers. Nada. Nada. What's going on, shorty? You good? Keep going, bro. Run. 730. Looks like some liquidations are coming through the market, or it sounds like it at least. If you want to automate your trading, I will hold your hand step by step in my boot camp with short, concise videos in any language. So if you actually want to automate your trading, check out the link below. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the website running on that screen. And I already have a thank you page set up, and this should be the thank you page that has the training on it. So I don't know if you need to set things up specifically like this because I had this set up on an old server before and it was working, but you're a new, more powerful server. You're on a new, more powerful server, and this one will not crash. So we just need to reset this stuff up with Nginx on the screen and then get the website live while maintaining this constant thank you page URL. Okay, so let's go to ATC links and let's go get that. Go to Discord here. I'll go my thank you page. Okay, so she should be going now. She should be on her way. On her way to a good day. I hope you're having a good day too, bro. Much love to you. 777, dude. How do I get started with automating with Claude? Like what languages? Python. Python. Python's gonna be your best bet, in my opinion. And I think a lot of people's opinions, actually. A lot of opinions out there will say Python. I think that's the easiest language to pick up and the most versatile for quant. Can do anything, pretty much. Once you start competing on speed, maybe you need a new language, but I've only used Python. Come on, buddy. Run. I noticed these aren't really working, dude. Being able to run the Nginx and whatnot. You ready to move fast? Let me check your main.py. Yes. She grabbed it. It's not letting me do that. It's super weird. Can you walk me through the steps? Because it seems like your terminal's not working too well to run this. So just show me all the steps and I'll go ahead and do it. I essentially need to run the website on the screen, make sure the Nginx is all set up. Maybe I'll give her another try. I'll give her another instance here because I don't want to do that. That's for sure. Nginx scares me, bro. Please go ahead and launch this website on a screen. The website is below. And we have a standard thank you page that's already set up. I want the link to be specifically the same. Go ahead and launch this on a screen, please. I know I just said that, but I said it again. I don't know why. Okay, so let's give her another try because she was lagging over there. I hope you launch the website first. Let me explore the project structure. Okay, sure. Sure thing, buddy. Sure thing, buddy boy. Main.py, quant gold mine, good. It's the main.py here. Perfect. I see the fast API application is ready. Okay, here she goes. I'll install that. Don't know if I need to, but looks like she's working a little better now. Great, the dependencies are installed. Let me check if it's running now. Perfect, here we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby girl. She's moving now. So maybe they just get stuck sometimes. Not quite sure about that, actually. You saw what was happening in the terminal. It wasn't able to kind of move forward. But now it's working again. Thank you, thank you, thank you, AI. I'm so happy you're back.
Do you want my free automated traders roadmap? It comes with all of my resources, my actual system, a book list, and Discord access. It's 100% free. Click the link below to join the newsletter, and I will send it to you right now.
Okay, so that works. Perfect. Now let me set it up in the background. Keep going. You got this, bud. Yes, but now I think you need to set up the Nginx because while it's running locally, that's great, but we want it to be here. I've already set up everything on Cloudflare and it's pointing towards here. It's pointing towards there. Perfect. Let's set up the Nginx for Quant Goldmine here. For Quant Goldmine here. Let's get it, dude. Where you at, shorty? Oh, you over there? Hiding. Just comfy. Just living life. How you doing, baby girl? Feeling good? Feeling good. Yes, it's time. It's time for a big old treat, girl. What is that? All yours. All right, dude. So let me go ahead and accept that. It's gonna fix all that stuff here. Okay, let's enable the auto start. Nice. Don't know what that does, but perfect. The firewall is active. .405 error. I'm just happy you're working again, shorty. Okay, it says it's ready, but I don't believe it. Go ahead and double check because it looks like it's still not correctly working. Is it on a screen that's live at all times, or yeah, just double check that. Double check. So let's go here and say, come on, gold mine. Yeah, it's down there as well. Uh, uh. Let me check what's happening. The Cloudflare 521 means the web server is not responding. Let me diagnose it. Please do, please do. And I've got the thing pointing, the A record pointing correctly, I believe. Yes. To the 8.8. Yep. I see the issue. The fast API isn't running manually, but the system MD service isn't started. You silly girl. Both servers are responding locally. Let me check the Nginx. The servers are working locally, but Cloudflare can't reach them. Okay, they're both working here. Now I got set up for external requests. Excellent. The server is responding. Great. The website is working now. Let's see, dude. Great news. DNS propagation. Cloudflare might be resolving the old server. Cloudflare cache. Their edge servers might be cached. Cloudflare might need the new origin. Check that the A record points to this. Try purge cache in the caching section. Temporarily set SSL to flexible if you haven't set up. Okay, let me just try to do that then. Say edit, delete. And then I'm going to do A quant delete here because it is working through the IP address, which is interesting. A, and this will be quantgoldmine.com, or I think that's just actually. Okay, now let's try it. Not quite. Quant Goldmine. Let's see if she can figure this out with a screenshot. I deleted and recreated the A record to be on point. It's still not loading, which is weird, but maybe it was loading in the old one before because I had an old server and I just edited it before. But this time I deleted it and reset it. Is there anything else I should do? So Quant Goldmine here.
Do you want to learn and connect with hundreds of other automated traders? Join the newsletter below and get a free invite to our Discord so you can chat with us.
Proxied status. Since you recreated it, let's do a few things to ensure everything is working perfectly. Okay. Interesting. I can see quantgoldmine.com is resolving to Cloudflare's IPs, not your IP server. Connection is working. It's working. No, it's not, dude. No, it's not. Go to caching configuration, purge everything. Caching configuration, Purge everything. Purge everything. Purge everything. Everything. DNS here. www. No. All right, I tried purge everything because I know it's not a browser cache issue as I tried on my phone. Did I actually though? I'm not gonna send it until I'm not capping, bro. Oh, it actually is working on my phone. It might be a caching thing. I just tried on my phone, it works, but it goes to the HTTP. It's not secure. So I have HTTPS set up here, so maybe that's the issue. My computer won't even go to, or my computer is going to HTTPS automatically, as it should. Let's see if the HTTP works up here. Nah. Ah, that's exactly the issue. You've nailed it. Thank you. Thank you. I nailed it. Nailed. Click the orange cloud next to the A record. Change it to proxy to DNS only. All right, I just changed it to DNS only, and then I waited 30 seconds. So you can go ahead and do the rest. Okay, I'm gonna wait like 20 more seconds here. All right, dude, I feel like that's been 30 seconds. 30 seconds, dude. 30 seconds. Let's get the SSL set up. It should already be set up, to be honest. Fantastic SSL is complete. Change it back to proxy now. Set the SSL, TLS to full strict and Cloudflare. Want gold mine? Go ahead and try on my phone here. It's working. It's working on my phone at least. Working on my phone. Does it work on your guys' stuff? quantgoldmine.com. Should be in the description. Damn. New incognito. It's working on my phone, which is weird. Can anybody see if it works on your device?
I'm not only going to show you how to build your own trading
Threw it in the
bot and
chat.
automate your trading so you can remove emotions. I'm also going to pay for your AI so you can cancel all of your ChatGPT and Claude subscriptions.
It works?
Click the link below to join the bootcamp. I will teach you how to automate your trading and pay for your AI. The link is below.
I guess it works now, fam. It doesn't work for me, but let's try this other computer. quantgoldmine.com. Nah, is it really working? Oh gosh. I wonder if Wishy's using a phone. Nah, bro, it's the name. It's weird because it works on my phone, but it doesn't work on my computer. Is there anything that might be causing this? Wishy is sent from the ops, I think, dude. I don't know what he's talking about again. Hello, I look like the opportunity. Let's go ahead and just turn Twitch off. Oh. Just turn the whole Twitch off because Wishy actually has not said one thing that makes sense today. And I think he's just having his little high day or something. Because literally none of this makes sense. But it's okay. I think he's sent from Wall Street in order to distract a little bit, but that's cool. Let's see. Since it works on your phone, it does work on my phone. Let's check out this phone. It's not charged. Doesn't work on the computer though. That's important. Is there anything else that could just be holding this up from working on the computer? Because it doesn't work on my other computer either. But I have been there on this computer. Let me go check on my other computer. I tried on another computer as well, and it doesn't seem to work, which is very, very odd, as we have this all set up now, and it looks like it's working fine on the phone. I'm gonna try again, actually. Let's try a different browser here. It's not working on the phone anymore. It's actually not even working on the phone anymore, so maybe it's not active on the screen. I don't know. There's something here that's a little odd. Quant gold mine. Ah, that's a big clue. It stopped working on the phone too. It doesn't have multiple computers. This suggests the process might have stopped running. Good news, the Fast API is running. Found the issue. Fast API is running, but Nginx is running 404. This is just Nginx configuration got messed up during SSL. I see the issue. Certbot messed up the Nginx configuration. There's a missing new line that broke. There we go, shorty. Now let's test and reload Nginx. Perfect. Now let's test both HTTP and TTPS. Python, definitely. But once you know one language, you basically know them all. It's just learning new syntax. Yes, that's actually true. It's a good call, bro. That's a good call, dude. That's a good call. Great advice. Quant gold mine. Okay, it's not working. Quant gold mine. Nah, it's still not working anywhere. Let's go to the SSL here. Let's see, let's see. Do you see anything wrong here?
If you want to automate your trading, I will hold your hand step by step in my bootcamp with short, concise videos in any language. So if you actually want to automate your trading, check out the link below.
I think I'm gonna block wish you, dude. I'm sorry, bro. I can't keep up with your psychosis you're going through. Or whatever this is, bro. Whatever this is that comes out every couple of days where you're just going all over the place. I have no fucking idea what you're talking about. I'm gonna have to get you go. I'm gonna have to put you on the bench for a couple of weeks. I'm not gonna block you. I'm not gonna block you. I'm just gonna put you on timeout. Because I love you. But, you know. Your last straw was when you swerved me there saying it worked and then did some weird stuff. Said some weird stuff after that. Get it. Nah, it's not working. Do you see anything wrong here? I see the issue. Looking at your Cloudflare, I can see that the A record set the proxy and it's pointing to 881. The problem is Cloudflare is now proxying the traffic, but it can't establish a secure connection to your server because Cloudflare is proxied. It tries to connect to the server HTTPS, but your SSL certificate is only valid for the domain name, not the direct IP connections. Perfect. I can see the Cloudflare is now proxying and resolving the Cloudflare IPs. Let me test what content is being served. Wait, the website is working from the server side. Both pages are loading correctly through Cloudflare. let me check on one more thing. Your website is working perfectly. The issue is the browser DNS cache. Quant. It's actually not working, dude. It's actually not working. HTTPS. Quant goldmine. How can you prove that it's working? Because I check it from my phone and a couple different devices, and it still doesn't seem to be working. Quant goldmine. Goldmine.com. Please do a full thorough analysis of the Nginx. It seems like it's something there. If you think there's anything I need to change inside of the DNS configurations, please let me know that as well. Actually, just walk me through how that DNS would be set up as well, because maybe I messed up. I put the A record, and then I put the name as @ and then the content was the IP address. You're absolutely right to be thorough. Let me do a step-by-step complete analysis and walk through every step-by-step, Moondab. Thank you. First, let me check the status. See what's working. Proof it's working. I can see proof that your website is working. "100% working," it says. I am able to visit the website right now. What I meant was I think the whales are looking because of the gold mine keyword. Okay, I don't know what you mean with the whales, but I'm glad it's working. That's awesome. If it actually is working. Quant gold mine. Let's go ahead and say file delete browsing data. Delete. Anybody else? Does it work? Does it work for anybody else? I don't really understand Wishy. Kevin, can you try that link here and see if that works? Can you code or interact with something inside the chart like candlesticks, etc. on Birdeye or any other platform like Axiom using Claude 4? Can you code or interact with something inside the chart like candlesticks? I'm not quite sure what you're asking there, but if you clarify, I can answer for sure. Anybody can check out this link for me. That would be super, super, super helpful. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope it's just maybe my internet or something. Nah, that doesn't make sense. Okay, it's working. The website's working on my phone when I get off my internet. So what internet am I on? I got one. HTTPS quantgoldmine.com. So, yeah, if anybody could let me know in the chat if that link is working for you, I'll just it's in the chat right now. Just yes or no. That'd be awesome, bro. Be awesome, awesome, awesome. Super, super weird. Super weird. Wishy says it works for him, but something about whales.
Do you want to have your own trading bot? I can show you step by step. Even if you don't know how to code or don't know where to start, there's a link below with my full bootcamp, and I hold your hand through the entire trading bot process.
All right. All right, man. No, nobody's locked, bro. Nobody's locked. Nobody can give me a yes or no. Look, it goes. Much love to you guys.
Remove all emotions and actually automate your trading. I can show you from a point of not knowing how to code at all. If you don't know how to code at all, I can show you exactly how to code, and then I can show you exactly how to automate your trading. You can see there's hundreds of reviews. I'll show you at the bottom, and there's a 100% money back guarantee, and the price is super inexpensive, $69. And I will literally hold your hand step by step in the process of automating your trading. You can watch this video if you want to learn a little bit more about it, but we can quickly scroll through here, and pretty much everything that I wish I could find on the internet when I was trying to automate my trading is in this bootcamp. It's 15 days of videos that you can watch on demand in any language, just in case you don't speak English natively. You can watch all videos at any time period of the day in any language. And I show you step by step how to automate your trading. And not only that, I give you free AI. So I pay for your OpenAI, Claude. We have channels in our Discord that give you 100% free AI, so you can cancel all your subscriptions. You have a team of us that are all working towards the same goal. We're all chasing this guy. This is Jim Simons. He ran up a net worth of $31.4 billion. And he always says you just have to make your systems better and better and better because that's what everybody else is trying to do. So I can show you step by step how to get your ideas out of your brain into an automated trading system, and you'll be able to code all of it. I spent 10 years in technology scared to code because I thought it was just for super smart people who went to Stanford or knew a bunch of math, and I was neither of those. Then I locked in because I had to automate my trading. I learned Python and I learned how to actually automate my trading. It's the most secretive industry in the entire world. Nobody else is sharing this information. So you can see a closer look of what's in the bootcamp here. There's 15 full days. And on the first day, in case you don't know how to code, I show you how to code. So don't worry. I give you an intro to algo trading. I get all of your orders set up, all your risk management set up. I get you to a place where you can backtest any strategy that you have for the rest of your life. So while I don't just say, hey, here's a bot that you can run, make $1 million, I think that's a scam. If you ever see that on the internet, which I know you will, just run away, because nobody is going to give you a trading bot that just makes you a bunch of money. You have to come up with your own strategy and your own edge. But for a crazy low price, I can show you step by step how to get to that point where you can just sit here like I do. You see me on live every single day. I show everything on YouTube. And I just test the RBI method.
We must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
And dude, I understand how emotional this game is, and sometimes you feel defeated because you're just tired of looking at these charts go up and down. You have FOMO, and then you have fear, and you're scared. You're in a position, you're in a long position, then all of a sudden,
All right, I'm gonna keep working on this. Can anybody check this for me? Let's go to this link and see if it works for you. the problem I'm stuck on. Looks like we got some good questions in the chat. Happy to answer them. Let me know if that link works. Like in the boot camp, hey sir, I want to ask you, would you do commodities and forex spots in the future? Maybe. Maybe. Is that what you're trading right now? I might do that. You know, I wanted to create a trailing stop loss for meme coins because it's not there for tokens. Also, I tried to automate the price range tool or something. Interessante. Interessante. Okay, let's see if this works because Wishy says it works. I see it on my phone. quantgoldmine.com. What the hell? Oh, HTTPS. That's very, very odd. Well, it should be working for you, and if it is working for you, then there are 2 spaces available. Yeah, I don't know why it wouldn't work for me. Let's go read through this. Proof your website is live. Okay. DNS setup is perfect. Quantgoldmine.com. Resolves here. Your A records is at correct. Not secure. HTTPS. Damn, this is super enlightening, fam. Not secure. Super enlightening. Enlightening, bro. How else can I test this? Okay, there's 12 people in the chat right now, and I need somebody to click that link and see if it works. Do you want to learn and connect with hundreds of other automated traders? Join the newsletter below and get a free invite to our Discord so you can chat with us. Let's see here, dude. It's crazy, bro. I screenshot my phone if you don't believe. I believe you. I'm just wondering if somebody can try it from their computer. I definitely believe you because I can see it on my phone as well. But there's something weird going on with the Wi-Fi or on the computer. Let's see what it looks like with just Wi-Fi. So it just works on my phone, but yo, if anybody has a half a second, just go ahead and click this link and see if it works. I'm having a hard time seeing if it works here. It works on my PC as well. Okay. Anybody else got any input on that? If it works or not? Because it doesn't look to be working on mi computadora. But it is working elsewhere. All right, it's up, dude. It's live. There's 2 spaces available, but nobody here in the live is allowed in because you guys are all kind of dickheads except Wishy. Biggest dickheads in the chat right now are Kevin and Drew because they're asking questions of me and they can't even click the link. This is live, but you're not allowed in, dude. This is live. The website's live. There's 2 spots available. Thank you for debugging this with me, Wishy. You're the only day one here. The only one that was helpful. Dude, Kevin and Drew, big L's, big L's, big L's. I can't get a yes or no, but you got hella questions for me. Big L's, bro. Big L's. I'll remember those 2 names, Kevin Crypto and Drew Swanami. Thank you, Wishy. I appreciate you, bro. There are 2 spots available here today, and it seems to be working now. And then let's double check the thank you page. Make sure that's working well. Thank God. We got it. We got it done. Thank you for joining. Okay, here's the... Okay, perfect. Watch prediction bot course as well. Perfect. Okay, dude. So that looks all good. Yeah, bro. They being a little shady. Yeah, big shady, bro. Those guys are being big shady. Big shady. I'm never responding to either of them again. I'm butthurt. I am butthurt. I am butthurt. I'm butthurt, bro. And I hold grudges, dog. I hold big grudges. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, dude. Well, I think I'm gonna get Ghost because this here is available for 2 people here today, and I'll just keep this live. If you have any questions or anything, this is essentially all of my courses put to one, and it took a little bit of time to get this up and live here, but it's all here. So 52 days of comprehensive training videos on how to automate your trading. That's the Algo Trade Camp. Prediction Bot course is absolutely fire. You learn how to build on Polymarket, which nobody else can show you. 2 Solana bot courses here, step by step, how to build a copy bot and a sniper, so you can then visualize and build anything you want. The AI masterclasses, 300 backtests, Quant Elite access pays for it all. So the link's in the description. Big shout out to Wishy. He gets the dubs in the chat. And peace.